I am not good enough.
I'm not ready to make a decision today.
Exactly about this problem and topic here I want to talk about in today's video, so you can start to get out of your head. I am a big overthinker as well, but I've learned in the past few years to deal better with it. Before we start with today's video, I want you to write down 5 different goals you have set yourself for this year. Pause this video if you need to. Now, imagine yourself in this situation. I know this may seem very unrealistic with this short clip, but what is the lesson out of it? We don't know how tomorrow looks like, so we better live in the present moment. But what about the goals and the envisioned future you have set in here? Now take that piece of paper where you wrote down your goals out again and pick out one goal out of this list. Cross out all the other ones and solely focus for the next 6 months on that goal you have wrote down there. Are you capable of holding yourself accountable? Are you afraid to not see the results you have expected to already? Why are you again thinking about the negative outcomes? Take that piece of paper out again and write down the things you are afraid of if you would focus on that single goal for the next 6 months. Look at the economy and the stock market in 2022. Wasn't everything falling apart? There was and never will be a perfect timing to invest, but also to start something. So why on earth should you know when the perfect timing is? And how your future looks like. 99% of the things we worry about never happen. Let that sink in. 99% of the things we worry about never happen. So stop waiting for better times this year and start to take the necessary steps and actions. Just do it. Do you want to change your body? Admit to yourself that you're fat or skinny and go and hit the gym so you can change something about it. The same applies to your university studies. If you want to get better grades, you need to admit to yourself that you are being a procrastinator or perfectionist. Admit it and don't push your assignments off anymore. Do them today. But that's easier said than done. I don't want to hear a single excuse anymore. Just turn your brain off and fucking execute. Like if tomorrow doesn't exist. Put that piece of paper in front of your computer on your wall or on top of your bed, so you can look at it every single morning. Not only the goals you wrote down there, but also the things you are afraid of. In the next 6 months, fear and doubt will arise definitely. But I have 3 strategies you need to follow in order to not get anxious and overthink about these situations. Firstly, journal down every single time as soon as you realize it when you're afraid of that goal. Take 2 to 3 deep breaths. It will help you to calm yourself down. And thirdly, fear is your compass. Face the fear, because fear will force you to get out of your comfort zone. And that is also the reason why you are anxious. Every single person on this planet is as well. So you need to know that every decision you make in your life is better than no decision. And I am 100% sure it does not matter if you succeed in that goal or if you fail. At the end of the day, you will grow as a person from success, but even more from failure. So just stop with negative thinking and start more positively into this year with clear actions and not dreams. If you are a person who's still not fully confident and thinks that you can't turn these things around, then I have this video for you which talks about my personal journey with some valuable tips I've learned on this way. And let me know in the comment sections down below if you got anything valuable from this video. I'll see you guys there, and Happy New Year!